Today we are going to share the story Waiting for Wings by Lois Ehlert. We've been learning a lot about butterflies and even had the chance to observe some caterpillars. Metamorphosis takes time, so while we're waiting for our caterpillars to grow, I'm going to share this story with you. As I read, see if you can identify the 4 stages of a butterfly's life, like we learned about in our last video. Are you ready?
Waiting for Wings by Lois Ehlert. Out in the fields, eggs are hidden from view. Clinging to leaves with butterfly glue. To cling means to stick to. Soon caterpillars hatch. They creep and chew. Each one knows what it must do. Find a place where winds don't blow. Then make a case in which to grow. Do you know what a caterpillar's case is called? It's called a chrysalis. Can you say the word chrysalis? Caterpillar changes now begin. This change is called metamorphosis. Can you say metamorphosis? When a caterpillar turns into a butterfly, it's called metamorphosis. Body and wings take shape within. When it's time, each case is torn. Wings unfold. New butterflies are born. Did you know that when a butterfly comes out of its chrysalis, its wings are wet? It doesn't take very long for the butterfly's wings to dry before it can fly away. They pump their wings, get ready to fly. Then hungry butterflies head for the sky, looking for flowers with nectar to eat. They catch a whiff of something sweet. They follow that fragrant scent of perfume. To catch a whiff means that they smell something. It says that they follow a fragrant scent. That means they smell something good. Until they find our garden in bloom. We've been waiting for wings. We watch them circle, land on their feet, unroll their tongues, and begin to eat. Do you remember what a butterfly's tongue is called? That's right. It's a proboscis. They dip and sip. Then fly away, back home to the fields. They have eggs to lay. Where do you think that those butterflies are going to lay their eggs? Do you remember? Once the butterfly lays its eggs, its life cycle will start all over again. The end. The back of this book is really interesting. The author has included a butterfly identification chart. That means you can look at these pages and identify or learn about the names of different types of butterflies. Can you find any of the butterflies that we've already learned about? Look, there's the painted lady caterpillar. There is a tiger swallowtail on this page. In our last book, we learned about the zebra swallowtail. How are they the same? How are they different? On the last page of this book, the author shows us a diagram of a butterfly, and it labels all of the different parts of a butterfly. Can you find the butterfly's eye? How about its antenna? A butterfly uses its antenna to feel. Can you find the butterfly's proboscis? How about its wings? A butterfly's body is divided into different segments or parts. These are called the thorax and the abdomen. Other insects have an abdomen and thorax too. Can you find them on the butterfly?
Did you get to see all of the different stages in a butterfly's life as we were reading this book? What are the 4 stages of a butterfly's life? Do you remember? Stage number 1 is a butterfly begins as an egg. Now, we didn't get to see our butterflies as an egg, but we did in the story. When the egg hatches, out comes a caterpillar. When the caterpillar is born, it eats and eats and eats and eats. And as it eats, it grows. When it's big enough, the caterpillar moves into the 3rd stage of the butterfly's life cycle. Do you know what that stage is called? It's a pupa or a chrysalis. That's when the caterpillar makes a thin shell to protect itself as it's changing into a butterfly. Finally, after much waiting, out comes the adult butterfly. That's all for today. I'll see you again soon. Bye.